Oppo Find X7 just launched today. Fast refresh rate, LTPO OLED display, flagship processor, 50 megapixel Sony LYT camera sensor, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Oppo Find X7, a camera-centric phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So this is the black colored box of the Oppo Find X7. It's a 16GB RAM and 1TB storage variant. Inside you will find a cardboard box. In that box there is a user manual, a SIM ejector tool, a hard plastic case and a 100-watt power adapter and the Type-C to Type-A data cable. Talking about the phone's design, it's quite similar to its previous version. Not drastically different. The back of the phone has an asymmetrical design with a contrasting color scheme. The camera module is quite large and it sports the Hazelblade logo. There is a LED flash placed at the top left of the module. The bottom part of the phone is made of leather. It's about 9mm thick and weight around 202 grams. A bit heavier because of its powerful camera hardware. Despite the weight, it feels good in hand and offers a nice grip. The Oppo Find X7 has a 6.78-inch OLED curved display that's quite impressive. It can reach a really bright level up to 4500 nits, making it one of the brightest screen out there. The manual brightness goes up to 914 nits, but it can hit a maximum peak brightness of 1024 nits. It's got a Pro HDR display, so the image looks super clear with a great dynamic range. Plus the screen refresh rate ranges from 1Hz to 120Hz thanks to the use of the LTPO technology. With its LTPO technology, the Oppo Find X7's display not only looks great but also consumes less power. It has an adaptive brightness and even got the highest level of eye care certifications like TV and lens certifications. It's considered the best display in Oppo's Find X series. Also, to protect the display, it's got Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Talking about the camera, it has a triple camera setup at the back. The main camera is a 50 megapixel Sony LYT 808 sensor with optical image stabilization. The Oppo Find X7 has a 50 megapixel secondary ultra-wide sensor and a 64 megapixel periscope camera as the third one. This time the camera is being tuned by Hazelblade. You can check out the camera samples here.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
first phone in the Android camp that can record the 4K Dolby Vision video throughout the full focal length. It also supports the HDR video recording and offers an outstanding video stabilization.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta.
The Oppo Find X7 packs a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 octa-core processor along with the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. It scores over 2.24 million on the Antutu benchmark, which is quite impressive. This time, Oppo's used a different architecture that makes the multitasking super smooth on the phone. When it comes to the gaming, playing a heavy game like Genshin Impact at the highest setting for 30 minutes, giving an average frame rate of 59.8 FPS, which is really good. Overall, games run smoothly on the Oppo Find X7 without any lags, with very few fluctuations and extremely smooth gameplay. This time, the phone's heat dissipation system is really good. During gaming, the front temperature goes up to 40.2 degree, while the back hits around 38.4 degree, which is decent. Talking about the battery, it's a 5000 mAh one. After a heavy fire of battery test, there is still 60% battery left, which is pretty impressive. To charge the battery, you got a 100-watt charger that fully charges the battery from 0 to 100% in just 26 minutes, which is super quick. Phone runs on ColorOS 14 based on Android 14, packed with a bunch of AI features this time. Talking about the price, the base variant started around 3,999 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 444 UK pound. In conclusion, the Oppo Find X7 impresses with its outstanding camera, superb performance, and a premium look, but it's a bit on the heavier side. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, Miss signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.